Hi there, welcome to today's video. I'm Robert and you're watching Suburban Preppers. For those regular viewers, apologies, there was no videos last week. Myself and Laura, we decided we'd have a few days away. We took some time out. But we're back and the videos are rolling again. So in today's video, we're going to talk about get home kits. I know get home bags are the usual thing, but unfortunately for myself, when I'm at work, I have to carry a bag full of equipment anyway that's suitable for my job, so I don't have the option to carry a bag with me. I do have a separate bag of equipment inside of my car, but when I'm actually at work away from my vehicle, I need to carry my bag, like I say, full of equipment, which means I haven't got the option to carry an additional bag. I need to be minimalist with what I'm carrying. So, pretty much the vast majority of what I do carry is right here. So let's go through it together. So first of all, we'll unwrap it. We have a spare pair of socks. Just struggling to get them to come off. There we go. Like I say, a spare pair of socks. If your feet get wet or whatever, you're going to be uncomfortable. You know, dry socks be perfect. Additionally, to go with that, we've got a collapsible water bottle. I've put that in a bag to seal it. We'll go into that shortly in a little bit more detail. Now, additionally, I have on here, I've got it wrapped around, so apologies, I'm just unraveling it. Okay, this is a little survival type whistle. Obviously, I don't want to blow too loud. It's a pea whistle, and so it's got a compass on the bottom. There's a little signal mirror inside of it, and it's also got a little compartment with some waterproof matches. So just pop those back inside. So I keep my kit inside of a water bottle. This is a 1 litre water bottle. It's got a little over 32 ounces for those who don't use the metric system. Like I say, and I keep the vast majority of my kit in here. There is a few other things I do carry, but like I say, with space being minimal, I've got to keep everything contained. So I just hope I can get everything to go back in. So I've got a couple of food bags first of all. Just going to empty it out. You can see I'm doing this live. It's not very well planned. I've got everything jammed in. I think that's the first item. So we've got some little boiled sweets. You know, it's something just to pop in your mouth, get the saliva going, keep it working. You know, just some boiled sweets. Next, what fell out was some chewing gum. Again, just keeps you going. So next, I've got a mini lighter, just a little clipper lighter. There's another boiled sweet. Got a little pocket knife here. It's not the biggest, you know. It's fairly sharp though. It's just a little pocket knife, just cutting things. You know, it's a pocket knife. I've got a toothpick with some dental floss attached to it. You know, just so if you get anything stuck in your teeth. So some lip balm chapstick. So again, just for dry lips, you know, just helps you. Let's see what else we can retrieve from inside of the bottle. So this here goes with the water bottle. So this is actually a water filter bottle. So you got the filter here. It's a brand new filter. It's the hollow fiber. Plus it also has some activated charcoal in the top, the activated carbon filter. So not only will it get rid of any bacteria or whatever in the water, the activated carbon will help take out any other contaminants that are in there. So like I say, they go together. It just goes inside, and you would drink it if you were needing a drink. But my plan is, like I say, I'll use this only for dirty water. I won't be drinking out of this. Fill this up with water, pop the filter in, and decant the water into the larger bottle. I'm just going to pop that back on the side for now. So next we've got another little whistle. So a little sewing kit with some safety pins. I say you don't know if you snag your clothing or whatever, you tear it, you make a little repair. If you're not able to stitch it, you can stick the safety pins through it as a temporary repair. But another boiled sweet. Like I said, there's probably going to be a few more lurking in the bottom of here. So this one here, it's a little miniature saw. So if you need to get a fire going, you can chop up some firewood. It does lock if you need it to, but like I say, little miniature saw. There's a few more of these in the bottom, so I'll just put that to one side until I can get some more. We've got a tea light candle. Again, if you're fire starting, it's rather than holding your lighter to whatever you're trying to get to go, you'll be wasting all your gas. If you light the candle first of all, then you can use the flame from the candle to light your fire. It just saves the gas in the lighter. As soon as you're done, blow the candle out, save for the next fire. Obviously, if you need some sort of illumination, again, if you don't have a torch or whatever, you've got it. It's going to give a little bit. It's not going to give much. But like I say, it's in there primarily for fire lighting if it's needed. Next is some little glow sticks. Again, they don't give much light, but they do give a little bit. So that's there. Some water purification tablets. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of those. So again, obviously I know the filter's there, but if you're not feeling too confident in it, you can always drop one of those in. 1 tablet per litre of water. So hence the going for the 1 litre bottle. Like I say, it's nice and simple. Just drop 1 tablet in, leave it for 30 minutes, good to go. Oh, can't get these to come out. So we've got some berry flavored 0-calorie electrolyte tablets. Again, it's just if you're stuck anywhere, you're trying to get yourself home, you're going to be walking, you're possibly going to be sweating, you're going to lose electrolytes. It just replaces those. So that's a full packet in here. I think there's 10 in the packet. I've wrote the best before date, end of 12/24, so December 2024. Yeah, 10 tablets. Like I say, again, it's just 1 per litre of water, and it just gives you some electrolytes. These ones here, they look the same, but they're actually glucose chews. Again, just gives you a little boost if you need it, bit of a sugar boost. Some tissues. Use it for blowing your nose. Use it for cleaning something if you need to. Use it for firelighting if you need it. Some tissues. Brand new ferro rod and striker. Yep, the packet is open. It's a little bit dusty, like I say. It's brand new. Obviously, you'd need to scrape some of the outside off first, but I'm sure everybody knows what a ferro rod does. So, brand new ferro rod with striker. Another packet of gum. A second button compass. There is a compass on here, but it's also always good to have a backup. And just double checking, yes, they're both pointing in the same direction. North is just behind me. Like I say, it's good to have a backup for that. And the last item inside of the bottle, that's it to go with these little compressed towels. They're just tiny little things. You soak them in a little bit of water. You can expand them out, use them to clean your face, clean your bits and bobs, whatever. Like I say, so little compressed towels, and all of that kit fits inside of here. So also in my work bag, I carry a 10,000 milliamp battery for my mobile phone. I have my personal mobile phone and I also have a work mobile phone. So it's good to keep the battery to be able to charge them both. The bonus of having two mobile phones is if there was ever a situation where I needed to get home, provided we still had service, I could turn one off and have the other one active. When the battery got low on that one, I could turn the second phone on and be recharging the first one, So that's an option. Like I say, having two mobile phones plus the 10,000 milliamp battery. And I also used to carry, just off camera here, in my bag, this. So it's a folding 15-watt solar panel with twin USB outputs. Normally, people charge up their phones direct from the panels. I found it better to charge up your power bank rather than your phone from these, because the power coming from these is variable depending on the sunshine, and sometimes it's not enough power to actually put charge into the mobile phone, whereas in the power bank, no matter what little charge it is, it puts it into the power bank, and then you can use the power bank to charge your phone from that. I've had this around about 10 years or so now, possibly a little bit more or less, I'm not sure, but it's around about 10 years old. And it's been great, as well as keeping it in my work bag at all times. When I'm not at work, I also use it for other things if I go walking, hiking, camping, or whatever. But just recently, I've upgraded this. So I've got myself this one from All Powers. So this is a slightly larger one. It's 21 watts, I believe. So it's pretty much just the same. It's got the three solar panels. It's slightly larger, a little bit heavier, but the reason it's heavier is in here it has a built-in 10,000 milliamp battery. So that means I have 20,000 milliamp worth of battery power bank with me. Just closed it up. Whenever I'm out, like I say, in case I'm stuck, if I can't get home by conventional means, if I've got to walk or whatever, I've got plenty to keep the phone charged. Now remember, your mobile phone, it's not just for using as a phone. If you can use it as a flashlight, you can use it as a GPS. If you've got satellite coverage, you can use it for Google Maps, like I say. So you've got your battery just here, fully charged at the moment, but it's got a little peel off thing for your outputs. You've got two USBs, one's a fast charge. You got your micro USB, and then you've got your USB-C. It claims to be waterproof to a certain extent. Obviously it's electrical, so you wouldn't want to take a chance with it. But yeah, like I say, it's that replaced the older one. Like I say, slightly newer technology. It's got little tags on the back. It's got carabiner clips in there, so you can clip it on the back of your bag if you were walking, if your son was behind you. Like I say, there's no food or anything in there. I'm quite confident, as well as having this where I work, I'm able to access a supply of food. It's not going to be an unlimited supply, obviously, but it would be enough where I could empty my work kit out of my bag, and then I could fill my bag. Obviously, I would empty this out, which is why I carry the spare Ziploc bags. I could put the boiled sweets in, whatever, the lighter and whatnot. And like I say, that would leave me additional space in my bag to fill it with the food that I would have on hand when I was at my place of work before I had to set off home. Additionally, again, you can see there's no kind of shelter options or whatever. Where I work, there would be maybe it's not shelter as such, but there's certainly like the foil survival blankets. I could grab a few of those. Those would do as an emergency. Just put it over if it was raining or whatever. So Yeah, like I say, that is my get home kit for when I'm at work. Like I say, it's not the best, it's not the most comprehensive, but given the limited space what I have available, this is what I thought was best to carry. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, you can give it a quick thumbs up. Really appreciate it. If you've got any comments, I'd love to hear from them. Please leave them below and I'll respond to every single comment. I may not be able to respond immediately, but I will get there as quick as I can. So, that's all for now. I'll say thanks very much for watching and bye for now.